Welcome. If you want to make your social network links visible to everyone on your Roblox profile using the latest PC app update, you're in the right place. Whether you're a creator looking to grow your audience or just want to connect with more friends, this quick guide will walk you through each step, making it simple and easy. First, open the Roblox app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the menu. Find the option labeled More. It usually has 3 dots next to it. Click on More to expand the menu and see additional settings and features. Next, from the expanded menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area for your Roblox account. Here, you'll see several tabs, but for this tutorial, choose Account Info. This section is where you manage your personal information, display name, and, most importantly, your social network links and privacy settings. Now scroll down within the Account Info page until you find the section called Social Networks Visibility. This is the area that controls who can see the links to your connected social media profiles, such as YouTube, Twitter, or Twitch. You'll notice several visibility options here. To make your social network links visible to everyone on Roblox, select the Everyone option. This setting allows any user on Roblox to view your linked social media accounts directly from your profile, making it perfect for those who want to reach a wider audience or connect with more players. After selecting Everyone, be sure to save your changes if prompted. Roblox will update your settings, and your social network links will now be visible according to your new preference. You can always return to this menu and change your visibility settings at any time if you want more privacy down the road. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've made your social network links accessible to everyone on Roblox. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our channel for more Roblox tips and tricks. See you next time.